To create a Notion template, start by going to the Notion website on your browser. On the left side, you'll find the option to create a template. Click on it. Then select the Work button in the top left corner and choose the type of template you want. If you're looking for a personal template, select that option and browse through the available templates. You can easily get a template by clicking the Get Template button. Alternatively, on the Notion home screen, click on the Getting Started option on the left side and start typing anywhere. You can add a basic block by clicking the plus icon next to the Have a Question option. Then add a title and an icon by clicking Add Icon. You also have the option to add a cover by clicking Add Cover and entering comments. Notion offers an Ask AI feature, as well as a to-do list option. Click on it to create your list. Then select the plus icon and choose the basic block or table option. When creating a table, a pop-up will appear with a few options. Click on the three dots icon and toggle on Header Row to create a header row. Scrolling down, the basic block options will reveal Notion's AI features, including the ability to link a page or access bulleted lists, numbered lists, and toggle lists. You can also click on the dotted icon at the start of a line to access edit or review selection. Tools. Notion allows you to review all the features and click on any option to draft with AI, which will start writing about a specific topic you select. With practice, you'll become more proficient in writing blogs using AI and utilizing the various options to enhance your template.